You can buy a physical dipstick for your D5 and it's likely to come with the parts you see here. So a dipstick, a tube, a couple of O-rings and an M7 bolt. I think you get 2 O-rings just in case you lose one or you break one. I chose to use etch primer and satin black paint on the tube in order to prevent rusting of the mild steel. Fitting it all to the car is quite straightforward. I have a 2015 D5 in an XC70, however the procedure is likely to be pretty similar for other variants. After removing the engine under tray, I removed the small grey service dipstick on the front of the engine. This might be quite stuck in place if you've never removed it, and it may need some gentle leverage with a pry bar or a flat blade screwdriver. As you can see, the service dipstick uses 1 O-ring. I added one of the O-rings in the pack to the recessed section at the base of the dipstick tube and then carefully pushed it into the hole. Make sure you don't tip 1 kilogram of sand into the hole while it's open. The hole on the dipstick tube mounting bracket should line up with an unused hole on the cylinder block. If it doesn't, just keep wiggling until it lines up. I sprayed some lubricating fluid into the bolt hole just to ease the entry of the bolt. It might have a little bit of rust and grit in it if it's never been used. I don't know the correct torque, but it is just M7, so don't take the piss when tightening it up. Both my ring and my hole were dry, so I lubed them up for easier entry. Now you can check the oil level as normal. I just completed an oil change and I can see that I needed to add a little bit more oil. Thanks for watching.